Student, today we are going to start chapter 1 sets in algebra. In this chapter, we discuss about what is sets and what is not a sets. What are the different methods to writing a sets? How to write a sets? For start the chapter, first we discuss on what is sets and what is not a sets. Under this, we see on the screen 4 example, that is what days of a week, months in a year, brilliant student in the class, and first 10 counting numbers. We decide whether it is sets or not. For deciding it is a sets or not, we see what are the state, whether the answer of a statement is a clear or relative. If the answer of a statement is a clear, then it is a sets, and if the answer of a statement is not a clear, it is a relative, then it is called a not a sets. For example, days of a week is a clear. Days of a week is a clear. We all know that there are 7 days in a week, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So it is a sets. Second one is what? Months in a year. It is also clear. There are 12 months in a year, that is Jan, Feb, March until the December. So it is also clear. Therefore it is a sets. Third one is what? Brilliant students in the class. No, it is not clear. Why it is not clear? Because there are a lot of brilliant students in class. Some are more brilliant, some are less brilliant, and some are brilliant in particular subject, some are brilliant in a particular subject. So it is not clear, therefore it is not a sets. And last example was first 10 counting numbers. Yes, it is also clear. First 10 counting number is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is also clear, therefore it is a sets. Students, for this chapter we have also know what is different types of number. It is very necessary to know the different types of number, whatever we study in our previous class, in our lower class. So we once remind all that numbers. Under this, first is a what? Natural numbers. Second one is a whole numbers. Third one is integers. Fourth one is even natural numbers, and fifth one is a odd natural number. Under natural number, we see on a screen it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All counting positive number is called a natural number except 0. There are not 0 in a natural number. After that we see second one is whole number. Whole number is a natural number including 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And after that is integers. Integers are negative and positive number with 0. Negative and positive number with 0. That is called integers. After that, what is that? Even natural number. Even natural number is that number which can be divisible by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. The number which can be divisible by 2 is called an even number. Now, after that, odd natural number. Odd natural number is what? Odd natural number is a number in between two even numbers. For example, there are 3 in between 2 and 4. There are 5 in between 4 and 6. That is called odd number. In other words, we say that the successive number of even number is called a odd number. After seeing the different types of numbers, we study that how to write a sets. how to write a sets. Generally, the name of the set is given using capital letters A, comma, B, comma, C. Always, if the if we want to write a sets, we always start it with a capital letter. For example, it is A. For example, it is a set of a even natural number. For example, it is a set of even natural numbers. Then we write a is equal to curly bracket. This is sign of curly bracket. After that, it is a even natural numbers. We write it in it 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and with curly bracket. Okay, now second statement is what? A is the set of all alphabets Then we write second capital letter B is equal to all alphabets. Then we write in a small letter, because the member or elements of the sets are shown by using small letters. Always we write in a small letters A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, comma, dash, dash, dash till Z. This is also in a curly bracket. So it is clear that when we write sets, we always take a capital letter for showing a sets, and after showing a sets with capital letter, we'll write all the elements in a curly bracket. If there are any alphabets in that, we always take small letters of that element. Student, now we see how to write sets. What are the different types of writing a sets? There are mainly two types of writing a sets. First one is a listing or roster method, and second one is a set builder or rule method. Listing or roster method is that method in which we prepare list of the elements. In this table, you just see there are A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. If they give the statement, that write even number less than 16, write a even natural number less than 16, then we write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. It's a full list of all natural numbers. But in a set builder method, we write just a statement. And don't make the list of that elements. What is this same thing? A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This same thing is right in a set builder method. How we write it? It is in a set builder method that A is equal to X such that X is an even natural number less than 15. So it is a simple statement. There are no need of write sets in a list, the elements in a list or listing method. Okay, now second example is what? 4, 9, 16. What is that 4, 9, 16? 4, 9, 16 is a perfect square of 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. So it is a list method. And if we want write this in a set builder method, then we write X such that X is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. And third one example is what? A, E, I, O, U. It's a list of vowels in alphabets. C is equal to X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet, and D is a different 7 colors are there. There are 7 colors. It's a color of rainbow, list of color of rainbow. And in set builder method, they write the statement D is equal to Y such that Y is the color in the rainbow. So students, there are two methods to write sets. One is the listing or roster method, and another is a set builder or rule method. I one more time repeat that there are, if we write the elements in a list form, make a list of the elements, then it is called a listing method. And when we write the elements in a statement form, sets in a statement form, then it is called a set builder or rule method. Student, now it is time to start exercise 1.1. Under this exercise, we see first question, write the following sets in a roster form. Roster form, that is in a form of list method, in a form of list. Under this first question is what? Set of even numbers. Set of even numbers. So earlier we discussed that set is always write with a capital letter. So we take A as a set. A is equal to set of even number. Even number start from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, dash dash dash. It means continue. Therefore A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. After that, second question is what? Set of even prime number from 1 to 50. Set of even prime number 1 to 50. Student, first I want to clear that what is prime number. Prime number is that number which cannot be divided by any other number except itself. वो नंबर जो किसी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं होता है except itself, मतलब जो खाली खुद से डिवाइड होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Prime number. There are lot of prime number in between 1 to 50, but there is a one and only even prime number, that is 2. There is a one and only even prime number is 2. So we write B is equal to 2. One and only one even prime number. Now third one is a what? Set of negative integers. Set of negative integers. That means we write numbers with negative signs, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, dash dash dash. There are a lot of negative integers, that is -1, -2 and -3, -4. Now fourth one is a what? 7 basic sounds of sargam, sur. There are 7 basic sounds of sargams. What is that? Sa, re. We write it in a capital letter. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, and ni. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, and we close that curly bracket. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 suras, that is sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Question under exercise 1.1 is what? Write the following symbolic statement in a words. First one is a 4/3. That sign, that symbol is called a belongs to Q. Here Q is a stand for rational number. That means what? 4/3. That means what? 4/3 is a element of Q. How we write in a statement? First one, 4/3 is the element of 4/3 is the element of Q. 4/3 is the element of Q. Second one, 4/3 is the element of Q. Second one is what? -2. -2 is not element of minus 2 is not element of n. Second statement is what? Minus 2 is not element of n. Third one is what? Third one is what? Third one is p equal to. Third one is what? It's a big statement. P equal to p such that p is set of an odd number. P is a set of an odd number. So student, like this we completed second question. We write the statement, we write the sentence in a statement.